In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom cover page in Microsoft Word. If you want your reports, projects, or documents to look professional and visually appealing, creating a custom cover page can make a big difference, and Word makes it easy to design one from scratch or modify existing templates. Start by opening Microsoft Word and creating a new blank document. Beginning with a clean page gives you full control over the layout and design of your cover. Once the document is open, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Here you'll find the Cover Page option in the Pages group. Word provides several built-in cover page templates that you can use, but for a completely custom design, it's best to start with a blank page or remove the content from any template you choose. Now, begin by adding your main title. Go to Insert, select Text Box, and choose Draw Text Box. Click and drag to create a box where you want your title to appear. Type your title inside the box and use the Home tab to adjust the font style, size, and color to suit your design. You can add additional text boxes for subtitles, author names, dates, or any other information you want to include. Formatting these text boxes individually allows you to position each element precisely and maintain a clean, professional layout. To enhance your cover page, you can add graphics or images. Go to Insert and choose Pictures to add images from your computer, or use Insert/Shapes to add lines, rectangles, or other decorative elements. Resize and position these elements carefully to complement your text without overcrowding the page. For background color or effects, click on the Design tab and select Page Color. Alternatively, you can insert a rectangle shape, stretch it across the page, and send it to the back to create a colored background layer. Once your text and graphics are in place, take the time to align and adjust everything. Use View/Grid Lines or the Align tools under the Format tab to make sure your text boxes and images are evenly spaced and centered. A balanced layout makes your cover page look polished and professional. Finally, save your custom cover page so you can reuse it for future documents. Go to File, then Save As, and choose Word Template with a .docx extension. Give your template a name and save it in a location where you can easily access it later. Remember to use consistent fonts, colors, and spacing to maintain a clean and professional appearance. Avoid overcrowding the page and consider adding your company logo for a more official look. By following these steps, you can create a personalized, attractive cover page in Microsoft Word for any occasion. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.